Using other people's money, or OPM, and labor to make money is a concept often used in business and investing. Here are some ways to leverage OPM and other people's labor ethically and legally to generate income. Starting a business with investors or loans, angel investors and venture capital. Pitch your business idea to angel investors or venture capitalists. They provide the capital while you grow the business and share profits or ownership. Small business loans secure a loan to start or expand your business. By carefully using loan funds, you can create revenue streams that pay off the loan and increase profits. Leveraging other people's labor. Outsourcing and freelancers. Hire freelancers or contractors for tasks outside your expertise. For example, if you own a digital marketing agency, you could outsource content creation or graphic design while focusing on managing clients. Delegation through a virtual team. In businesses like e-commerce, you can hire virtual assistants for customer service data entry or order fulfillment. This frees you to focus on growth rather than day-to-day tasks. Manage the fund by investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate and earn a percentage of the profits as the fund manager. Drop shipping with supplier inventory. In drop shipping, you sell products that a supplier holds and ships directly to your customer. You leverage the supplier's inventory and labor, focusing on marketing and customer service while avoiding the risks and costs of holding stock. Build a passive income system using royalties or licensing. If you're a creator, whether a writer, musician, or developer, you can license your content to other platforms or businesses. This way, you can earn royalties from their sales or distribution. Another option is franchising a business. If you have a successful business, you can sell franchises. This allows franchisees to use your brand and system. You earn franchise fees and a portion of the profits while they handle operations. Create an online course or membership site. Leverage expertise from other industry professionals by collaborating on online courses or content for a membership site. You handle platform setup and marketing, and they contribute knowledge, allowing you to share the revenue. Rental arbitrage, also known as Airbnb arbitrage, involves renting properties from landlords with permission to sublet on platforms like Airbnb. You pay the landlord a fixed rental fee and then earn a profit by listing the property at a higher short-term rate. Invest in dividends or REITs using borrowed funds. Margin investing allows you to borrow money from your brokerage to invest in dividend-paying stocks. However, this strategy requires caution due to market risk and interest costs on the borrowed funds. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, enable you to use loans or investor funds to invest in REITs, which pay dividends and allow for passive real estate income without owning physical property. In each of these methods, transparency, ethical practices, and legal compliance are crucial for long-term success and trustworthiness. Using other people's money and labor can be highly effective, but it's important to establish mutually beneficial arrangements and fair compensation. This video was made by Prince Azi. He is from a mother who lived in a castle, one of the last great royal family and a hero of Iran, the same area that Persian King Cyrus the Great was. Iran has thousands of years of history, and many beautiful things came from Iran or Persia. From the Constitution of Europe and America to the YouTube algorithm or the halo on top of Jesus' head. They all came from Iran. 2,500 years ago, Cyrus the Great brought the first human rights in history. We all should try to have a better world where everyone can live in peace.